Yes, so viewers and subscribers, from you see the thumbnail and the title, then you know where this video is heading. So just remember to like, share, drop a comment down into the comment section, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Also remember to click the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever any new content is uploaded. Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, at least one man is dead in a major motor vehicle crash which occurs along New Road in Clarendon, just a few miles outside of Chapelton. Reports are that the incident occurred at about 3:30 p.m. yesterday. The deceased man is Renford Moyen, who is believed to be a taxi driver of a Maypen Clarendon address. A coaster bus belonging to the Clarendon College and a minibus was involved in the collision. Reports are that the driver of the Toyota coaster bus carrying students was traveling towards Chapelton when the vehicle he was operating collided with a Toyota IS bus and a Toyota Probox motorcar. The driver of the Probox was flung from his vehicle, and occupants of the Toyota coaster had to be cut from their vehicle by firefighters. Sources reported that the injured persons, including children, were later rushed to the hospital where the driver of the Probox was pronounced dead and the other injured persons were admitted in serious condition, except the students who were traveling in the Clarendon College bus. They were injured but not seriously. District Officer for the Clarendon Fire Department, Stanley Bailey, said rescue workers had to use jaws of life to remove the driver of the Clarendon College coaster bus. So viewers and subscribers, it really hurt my heart to see them things just happen upon a daily basis. Every day is another road crash or something. Jaja, me don't know what do them driver here nowadays. It's like the man them not have no patience. Everybody just a try rush. Everybody just in a hurry. So you understand, my viewers and subscribers? And at the end of the day, it a cost life. You understand what I mean? It a cost injury. You understand? But at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, we all know say enough of them driver here never have a license. Enough of them driver here just grow up and their own car and just learn to drive. You understand what I mean? Enough of them never know the road code. So therefore, them don't know how to operate on the road in the right way. You understand what I mean? So anyway, viewers and subscribers, me have the video where the firefighters them a take out the bus driver out of the bus. So me I go show you now. But first, please remember to like, share, drop a comment, because it helps the YouTube algorithm and also let YouTube suggest the video and the channel to a wider audience. Also remember to subscribe to the channel, my viewers, and click the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I upload any new content. So here are my viewers and subscribers. Check out the video.